Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious green lemonade. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh green lemons, which are actually limes, to yield roughly 1 cup of juice. We'll also use 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water. For that extra vibrant green, a few drops of green food coloring are optional but fun. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by juicing your green lemons until you have about 1 cup of fresh juice. Next, we'll make a simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until all the sugar has completely dissolved. It's crucial to let this simple syrup cool down entirely before moving on. With your juice and syrup ready, it's time to mix. Pour the fresh green lemon juice into a large pitcher. Then, add the cooled, simple syrup. Stir these together well. Now, slowly incorporate the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Give it a good stir and taste. This is your chance to adjust the sweetness or tartness to perfectly suit your preference. Your refreshing green lemonade is now ready to enjoy. Fill your glasses with plenty of ice, then pour in your homemade drink. For a lovely presentation, garnish with a fresh green lemon slice or a sprig of mint. If you like a little sparkle, a splash of sparkling water is a great addition. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.